Was I not live that whole time? Hello? Mic check, mic check, mic check. Mic check, mic check. I can't tell if this thing is live or not. All right, I think we're good. Now we're live. Fuck. Just been talking for the last 15 minutes. I've been live since 3:15 here. Been live since 3:15, just talking to myself. I looked at the live stream and for some reason it never went live at 3:15. So I just told you guys all of the secrets. All the secrets have been said, and now nobody can know the secrets. Oh man. Right now, looking here, NASDAQ, the overnight got a double top up there at the 20,320s, and we got the low, the London low down there, 20,200s. Yesterday's close right there at the 260s. So yesterday's close, the VWAP, all that stuff right there in the middle of this overnight range. So London, Asia market ranging. Let's see if we can get a trending action. Beautiful day here in the NASDAQ now. Good morning, Dung Du in the chat. My brother from another mother, straight from Vietnam. We're straight from Vietnam, baby. Vietnam. All right, like I said, we got numbers today. We got numbers. We got a global manufacturing PMI number at 945. And then we got some 10 o'clock numbers as well. 10 o'clock jobs opening numbers. Jobs. We're getting jobs. That's right. Jobs. Got a little less than 6 minutes here till market opens. Stuck there below the VWAP for now. We got the close right there, 260 area. So a lot of stuff going on there. If we get above this VWAP, get above that 260 area, you got the overnight high up there at the 320s. Not too much of an overnight range. 100 points. Pretty easy. Easy cruising. Easy, baby. Dung Du looking for that 320 area here, he says. Well, watch out. The man, the myth, the legend. Absolute legendary. He's a man of little word, but many prophets. They call him the Dung Du. That's right. Nobody does it like Dung Du. All right, so we are getting closer and closer here to market open. Getting excited. It's 3:26 in the morning here in Hawaii. Oh, buddy. Waking up early for you guys. Waking up early for you guys. Target low equals 43.50. Like this 43.50 area. Dung's already in. He's on fire in the chat. Already just popping off with the alerts. Just popping off with the alerts over there already. My guy. The man, the myth, the legend. All right, we get closer here to open. Market right now holding up here at the lows. At the lows currently. Like I said, we got numbers today, 9:45, 10 o'clock numbers, so get ready. Lots of action to come. Market about to open, less than a minute now. Put your boots on. Put your boots on. It's time to get working. Let's see if we run that overnight low here. What are we gonna do? 2 minutes. 2-minute chart right now. Looking at, got a little bit of a bear flag here through this 40 level. Got the overnight low down there at the 16 area. So let's see if this bear flag starts printing here. Up there to yesterday's close currently. Got the VWAP coming up there next. Got to get through that VWAP there. VWAP, yesterday's close, possibly turning into resistance. Let's see. ES looking weak right now. NASDAQ looking weak here. Stuck there below the VWAP for now. I think if we get through that 240 area, you can target that overnight low. We need to get through 240s first. Stuck there below the VWAP now. Stuck below yesterday's close. If they start selling this down below the 240s, the ES already moving down. Will the NASDAQ follow here through this 240 level? There's that 240 break. Get it all the way through the 240s here. Let's see if we can get down there. Targeting the overnight low now. Oh yeah. Beautiful. There we go. Hitting that overnight low down there at the 220s. Love to see it. Took the short there through the 240s. It's still going. Still going. Down there to the 210s now. Are you kidding? Oh my. Down there to the pivot point now. It's still going. Why? Why must you always do the most insane things to me, NASDAQ? Why? It's NASDAQ. You crazy NASDAQ. NASDAQ straight down now. That was literally like a 30-point drop just straight through that low down there. The VWAP holding us down. The yesterday's close as well holding us down for now. God, why did I not hold on to that? Oh my God. I thought we for sure would have a little bit of a bounce there at that 220 area. Are you kidding me right now? Fucking A. Well, there you go. 240 down there to the 170 now. Who got that trade? Anybody? Put your hands in the air. Lord. Anybody rich off that one? God. Dung Do again with another call out of the day. Market's still going lower. Through the 40s now, almost 100 points to the downside there since open. This market's cooked. Absolutely cooked. Wow. Insane. Still going. 100 points now. That's 100 points there, boys and girls. 100 points. Anybody still short here? Look at this thing. Still going. Fucking kidding me right now. Well, dude. Well, oh. Just dropping like a motherfucking rock right now. Like a motherfucking rock right now. I don't even know what to do. Oh, why did I cover so early? God, that's painful. That is absolutely painful. The NASDAQ straight down 100 points from open. We got short for that 40 break, and it just went. It just went. all the way down to that pivot point now. Are you kidding? Fuck. Wow. Well, 240 looked good. 240 was looking real good earlier, wasn't it? Oh my God. What the actual fuck? LOL. I still have a short open in these accounts. These are evals. That's gonna, I guess I didn't get all of it covered there. Only covered 3. Still got some open. Oh my God, look at this. Oh my God, it's still just straight down. Up 36,000 in these accounts. Like I said, these are evals. I'm gonna have to figure that one out. Went a little over the profit target there, Patrick. You can see with the get bind up 76,000 on that trade. If I was still holding that, if I was in the express funded account still holding this, oh my Lord. Let's just see if we get the $100,000 trade here. Oh Lord, that hurts. That hurts. How am I gonna lose $30,000 now? Oh God. Braden, we're trading the NASDAQ, bro. What are you talking about? NASDAQ futures. The target on these accounts is 9,000, but right now we're up $40,000 in each account. I'm at like, who's holding a funded? Who's gonna be short a funded account up $80,000? Who? Fuck it, eh? Oh my God, it's still just going lower. We went pivot point, down. We got stuck below yesterday's close, below the VWAP, and just sold. Is there any support down here is the question. Market really said, hold my beer, we're going, baby. Hold my beer, we're going. Hold my beer, boys. What a move. NASDAQ straight down. Like I said, below that 20,240 area, looking for that move through the lows. We got it and more. Lordy, lordy. What a fucking heroic move. Absolutely heroic. That shit was heroic, boys. Heroic. I know people in the chat, everybody got that fucking short. That short at open was too much. That short was too much at open. Who got that? Who got that short? Poll in the chat, let me know. What am I gonna do with these fucking evals right now? We're up 75,000 in these evals right now. I don't really know what to do here. I don't know what to do here, people. I'm kind of screwed. Fuck. Look at this thing. I mean, I don't even. My original short there at 250s. This is the 5-minute chart now. We're up, literally, up almost $80,000 on this short right now. What am I gonna do? Oh man. It's got to go back up eventually, Brad said. I don't know, Brad. I don't know. Looking like we're running, heading down there. Monday's low at the 55s. I'd be very surprised if we don't take out that 55 area next. I can't believe it. What the fuck? Let's go over 200 points, baby. Let's go for 200 points. Holy fuck. Holy fuck. Brad Rogers, yeah, you might have been a little wrong. Just a little bit. Guys, I am ICT's mama. I'm his motherfucking daddy. I don't even know what to do right now. Look at this. I'm up. It's up 100,000 now. How do I? I'm never gonna be able to trade out of this. I'm never. That's only 12 contracts, 24 contracts total. What the fuck? It just keeps going. Are you kidding me right now? This is literally AIDS. This is literally AIDS right now. Absolute AIDS. What the fuck? ICT has never done this. ICT could never do this right here. ICT could never do this. This is definitely not a red day for me. I don't know what you're talking about. I'm up big right now on even in my funded accounts. In my fast track trading, we're up over 20,000. In my Apex accounts, we're up over 13,000. So over $30,000 in profit right now in funded accounts. And we're holding this short right now, just kind of laughing about it. Oh, I haven't lost the accounts yet. What are you talking about? I'll trade out of this. I can lose $50,000 if I want to. How much you want to bet? How much you want to bet? I bet you I can lose $50,000 live on YouTube today. Tell me I can't. Tell me I can't do it. I fucking dare you, buddy. I will do it live. Oh my God. Well, the best trade of my life almost worked out. It almost worked. It almost worked here. It almost worked. Fuck it, eh? All right, we got 9:45 numbers coming up here, baby. Brad, I thought you said it was going to go back up, Brad. What the fuck, Brad? Fucking Brad said it's got to go back up. It's got to go back up, Brad. What the fuck, Brad? What the fuck, Brad? God, the chat must be so rich right now. Like, everybody in the chat must be just literally fucking rich. Everyone in the chat must be just fucking rich. How rich are you guys in the chat right now? That's what I want to know. That's 200 points, by the way. 200 points for anybody in the chat that's wondering how rich you should be. Look at this thing. Oh my Lord. Still going. Still going, boys. What a fucking time to be alive. That's right. It's a fucking good time to have a good time. Bro, what am I gonna do? How am I gonna lose those accounts? Somehow. All right, we took out yesterday's low now. It has just been a total fucking dumpster fire, baby. This market is going, gone. Where do we stop next? I have no fucking clue. It just won't stop. It's crazy. This got to be the craziest shit I've ever seen right now. And I've seen a lot of crazy shit. All right, if we look where we could possibly bounce at next, maybe down here, 19,950 area. We got candle lows down there on the hourly chart, 950 area for support. We got numbers coming up 10 o'clock. Market's got to find some support here. Oh, baby. When will the selling finished? Anybody that shorted up there at the 240s, it never even got close to your stop. It never even got close to the stop, by the way. By the way. Oh my God, it's still going up. It's still going. Holy fucking fuck. What's so crazy is to think that this is literally 250 points right now. 250 points on this move right now. That would have been, that's $120,000. $120,000 on this trade. On only 24 contracts. That's absolutely crazy. Brad said it was going to go back up. God damn it, Brad. Brad, why? Brad, why did you say this? Brad. Oh, man. All right, let's get some bounces here. Let's get some action off this bottom. God damn. I would need this to go like all the way back up to like my entry. 250 points back to the upside, maybe. I don't even know. Holy shit, man. This has got to be the biggest trade I've ever had, for sure. Too bad it's not fucking real. And this just goes to prove, you know, ICT sits over there and talks about how he makes all his money in his demo account and blah, blah, blah. It's easy, guys. It's fucking easy. Anybody can make money in a demo account. It's not hard. You know, like whoop-de fucking doo-dah day. Like whoop-de-doo. You got short and you held and you just sat there. Yeah. Like, you're a genius. What can I tell you? Got 10 o'clock news coming up here. 10 o'clock news. Man, that short from the 240s was just too good. 240 short was too good. We had the plan here before the market opened. And it played out beautifully, people. Absolutely beautiful. That's right. Beautiful. All right, starting to get that bounce back up here now. Beautiful. We need some bounce back up, please, sir. Bam, 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 bam. Here comes the news. Less than 30 seconds, less than a minute here till this news comes out. 10 o'clock news. Should be some good action here. Let's see what happens. 10 o'clock news here now. Get ready for it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. The news is out. It's coming back up, boys. It's coming back. Little push back up here again. Some indecision, hitting that resistance there. The news is printing. Dung, I don't understand what is the red when you keep saying red in the chat. What does that mean? I don't know. Does red mean buy in Vietnam? What does that mean? What does red mean? All right, NASDAQ chopping around here at the lows right now. Insane move to the downside there. Expect some consolidation now. Dung said, stay with the trend, man. Stay with it. Dung do. What an insane move to the downside, though, today. Insane move here. Maybe a possible bear flag if we break through that 20 level. I just feel like that after that huge move down, we need some pop back up, some consolidation back to the upside here, right? You know, the buyers want to buy low, sellers want to sell high. Is this a good spot to get short at? You know, I don't know. There's a lot of stuff going on there. The hourly chart, some of the bigger time frames down here at this level. So just a little cautious of getting short down here right now. I don't see the need for it. You know, I don't see the need for it right now. That hourly chart, we protected that 950 area, which is support down there, that 19,950 on the hourly chart from back in September there. So protected that for now. That low of that candle was 978. If we lose that 20 support area here, well, then I think we head down there to that 950 area, I guess. I do feel like we need some type of little pushback up here. Look at the 15-minute range there at open. The 15-minute range was what? 150 points, 260 down there. No, like 200 points. 260. Yeah, like 200 points there on the opening range candle. Crazy. Crazy. All right, 20,000 getting retested here again. The Bears, the Bulls, the battle is real. The Bears, the Bulls. Looking weak here again. Dropping through that bear flag, breaking to the downside through the 20s again, 20,000s. You got that pivot point down there at the 69s and that 50 area from that hourly candle low down there as well. So stuck right there at the 20,000. God damn it, Brad. Brad. God damn it, Brad. Fuck, man. Brad really fucked me here. Told me to keep holding forever. Fuck, Brad. Brad said it's got to go back up. Why'd you lie, Brad? Oh my God. This is 300 points now, by the way. 300 points short here from the 250s. Are you fucking kidding me? Up $140,000 on this fucking trade. Oh God, do I cover here just to say I did it? Just to say that I locked in 300 points live? Oh God. Oh God, look at this thing still going. That is painful. Oh my Lord, baby Jesus, look at this thing. It just keeps going. It just keeps going. It don't stop. Absolutely insane. Well, there you go. 300 points from the open now. Oh, man. Oh, man. That shit is crazy. That shit is crazy, man. It's like actually crazy when you think about it. Just goes to show, man, all it takes is one good move in the market and you can make millions. Millions. Absolute millions. Market trying to push back up here now. Got about a fucking 50-point range on these 2-minute candles right now. 50-point range here. Lord. If we get above this 75 level, look for a possible squeeze straight back up through that 20,000 area right here at this pivot point 70 area. So if we get through this 75s, it should try to squeeze it back up there in theory. In theory. If I was a betting man, that would be my bet. Bow, 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 bow. Hey, if ICT can sit around on Twitter talking about how much money he makes in his demo account, well, I can do it too, okay? I can do it too. All right, I can do it too, daddy. Some guy on Twitter telling me to close the short position. He said to close it literally 100 points higher, and now it's lower, and he's still sitting on Twitter telling me when to close it. When are these people going to learn? When are these people going to learn? When they going to learn, you know? You got to learn. Get learnt, boy. Market's still making new lows right now. Holy fuck. Kai got 4 evals passed with the payout locked in. Let's go. Kai in the house. We love to see it, you know? We just love to see it. Guys, it just keeps going. Literally, it just keeps going and going and going. Look at this thing. It just keeps going. Short from the 253s. Look at this thing. Are you kidding me? Brad. What the fuck, Brad? You said it was going to go back up at some point. Brad lied to everybody. Once you pass Apex, what do? Well, you wait till tomorrow to get funded. Have you ever seen such a short? I've seen it before. I have seen it. I have seen it. I have seen it. I have seen it. I love that I covered 3 contracts at 226. 226. Fuck me, man. Fuck me. Oh, Lord. That's some crazy shit, man. That's some crazy shit down here, man. That's some just crazy shit right now, boy. That shit's crazy. Still just sitting down here at the lows, maybe possibly getting this rip back up quickly. Ripped it. I guess there's a bunch of news about the dock workers are on strike today or something. I don't fucking know. Something about dock workers at the ports going on strike is what I've heard. The news, I heard the news. They called me and said, "Hey, Patrick, you hear about these dock workers? What you think about these dock workers, Patrick? We got some dock workers with some problems." Wait, do you think the dock workers all got short on the market last night before they went on strike? I mean, I don't want to put anything out there, but like if I was the Dock Working Association of America and I knew that everybody was going to go on strike tomorrow, I would buy some puts, I would definitely buy some puts. Who's got the inside news on dock workers? We need to know about this before it happens next time. Anybody in the chat a dock worker? We got any dock workers here? Anybody? Any dock workers? Back up there to this pivot point. Like we said, possibly getting that reversal if we get through this kind of 75 level. Dung Do is over there flying in planes in the chat. Dung Do flying in planes. Something about Delta or Capital One or Terminal Number One. I don't know what he's doing over there. Guy's crazy. Dung Du's a billionaire from Vietnam. He's my billionaire, my resident billionaire. Dung Do. Can't stop you. Dung Do. All right, there's that push through the 75s. Can we go straight up 20,000s? I'm here to make you rich. The $1 Million Man with the $1 Million Plan, baby. It's $1 Million Man with a $1 Million Plan. Whoa. Computer's lagging now. What the? Even the music's lagging. Chris just secured his first payout I like that. Nice work. Nice work, Chris. Nice work, Chris. My man. The guy. Market trying to push back up through this pivot point here. Dungdu said strong red. Uh-oh. It's not good. That's not good, Dung. Well, just absolutely no buyers stepping in here right now. Again, selling down. Got stuck there. 75s. Just got to put in some lows down here. The next hourly kind of low is down all the way down there at the 19,860s. 19,860 would be the low from Friday, September 20th down there. Another 100 points to the downside. Uh-oh. I mean, this thing, it don't look like it wants to go up now. Lord. This market has AIDS. It's got AIDS. Market has actual AIDS. It's hard to believe that we won't take out that 900 level there next. Well, there you go. 19,900s. Oh my God. Brad. What the fuck, Brad? Brad literally fucked me so hard in the chat. Brad said the market's got to go back up today. It's gotta go back up, he said. He said, oh, it's got to go back up. God damn it, Brad. What the fuck, Brad? Brad, what are you doing, Brad? All right, everybody, don't listen to Brad in the chat, okay? Don't listen to that guy. I mean, this is probably out of the entire market, like out of the entire year, this probably only happens once or twice out of the entire year where we get a move like this to be able to pull back and hit that S3, S4 level right there at open. I mean, that literally, I think a 300, 400 point drop at open. I mean, that only happens, like I said, maybe once or twice, maybe 3 times out of the entire year. You know? What the fuck? Can we go for the 400 point mover? $400 mover. Yeah, we got to find out. We need to know exactly when Iran is going to be launching missiles. Anybody got the connection in Iran? We need some of that insider info from Iran. If you know about Iran, let me know. Let me know. Who's got that inside connection? Looking for some insider information. I want to know exactly when this missile is launching. Oh, absolutely insane. Insane short. 250 short this morning. The market is now down to the 880s. We took the short at open here live on YouTube. Let's fucking go. Well, holy fuck. What am I going to do with all this profit? I'm going to try to lock it in down here at the 850s. Let's lock it in, boys. Wait, that's not 100,000. We need lower. To get 100,000, we need 36s. I don't know if we'll get down. You think we'll get to the 36s? Where's the next pivot point at? 796 is down there. Oh, I'm going to add. Oof. Adding. I'm adding. World War III, baby. Hey, you know, you got to think about it. If World War III happens, just think about it. At least we'll have Kamala Harris as president. You know, at least we'll all be safe. I'm not worried about anything. all good. All good, you know? Kamala Harris, no problem. We're good. She's the commander-in-chief, boys. She's gonna save us all. Thank the Lord. You know what I think about safety, I put two things together, right? I take Kamala Harris and I take safety and I put them together, and it just makes sense. One big happy safety family. One big happy family. This is absolutely depressing right now. I kind of want to I don't know what to do. Absolutely depressing right now. Dung, is it red or is it green? I like how Dung like updating us every few minutes with the red or a green. Hey, Dung, why don't you just, instead of telling us red every like 2 minutes, just wait till it to turn, we'll just wait for it to turn green, the trend, and then we'll just say green. You know, maybe because right now you've just said it's red, 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 so we pretty much believe that it's probably red. So still short. One day, guys, one day I'm gonna be short all five accounts at the same time and just fucking run it up. Imagine being 50 contracts short right now for 300 points. Oh my. One day, boys, it's gonna happen. 15 contracts short, 300 points. It's gonna be hot, hot, hot. Gonna be hot, hot, hot. Oh. Pivot points, baby. Pivot points, pivot points, pivot points. You gotta love it. If you guys want to learn more, you want to learn how to read these charts, see where the market's going, see what the action at, see the momentum. I've got a course right now. It's $199 to sign up today. That's right. Sign up today. Sign up with me, please. Won't you please sign up with me? Come fly with me. Come fly away today. But we're gonna fly away. All right, so in my Apex accounts, we got $1,000 in the Apex funded accounts, $1,000 in those, and then in the fast track trading, we got over $2,000 in those accounts. So we are looking nice and green on the day right here, boys. You know how we do. I like to be green. It doesn't always happen like that, but you know, it happened like that today. You can see here on Motive Wave, the fast track accounts. It's a $2,000 make you holla. So that's a little over 20,000 in fast track trading today, and then another over 10,000 there in the Apex accounts. We got some take profit accounts. I mean, today was, you could have just closed your eyes and made money today, pretty much. That's literally what it was today. Just fucking close your eyes and get rich, baby. Close your eyes and get rich. Listen to Patrick Wieland and get rich. It's all that matters. Obviously not financial advice, but honestly, if you think about it, just think about it, right? You know what I mean? You just gotta think about it sometimes. I like to just think about it, really. Market trying to push back up here. We got that pivot point. I think this gets through the 75s, and then we got the VWAP up there next to get going. So dude, I don't know if my internet's going out or what right now. She's trying to get back kind of above this 21 EMA on the 2-minute chart right now for the first time in a long time. So we'll see what happens if we start to push this back up now. That's a lot of selling. At some point, the buyer's got to step in, right? At some point, I'd say buyers start to step back in here. Right there at the 950s now. They got to get through that pivot point there. 970s next. We are sitting right there at that 21 EMA on the 2-minute chart. maybe another bear flag, but I do feel like there's got to be some type of pushback up through this level, you know. Do a little, even if we're going to go lower, like kind of trap to the upside kind of setup maybe. It's almost like it's too convenient for this just to start selling straight down again. It's too convenient. Right here below this pivot point, stuck. I just feel like getting short right here is too easy, but maybe the market's just going to be really easy today. You know, maybe. 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 Kind of watching to see what happens here. We're right there below that pivot point there at the 970s now. So we got the 1050 macro coming up here. 1050 macro, London close coming up. Market sell, sell, sell right now. Do we get some bounce, bounce, bounce? I'd say maybe, yeah, like right back above this kind of 960 area. Just get through this pivot point. Still stuck right there below that 21 EMA. No, I'm still holding that short just for, there's no point in covering it really. I got to lose money on it somehow. I'm going to try to lose some money on the short. too much money. You can't make, that's way too much money. I don't even, what's the point? Both the ES and NASDAQ both just stuck right here. Right there at the 21 EMA on the 2-minute chart. That 960 area. The bulls get this back above 960s. Should get some movement back up here. That chart down there at the lows. Kind of breaking that bear flag to the downside here again. Why is it that your ICT strategy is 80% in back testing? Because it's ICT strategy? Is that even a real question? Imagine, just for once, just imagine this, right? There's a guy out there who created the ICT concepts. And even the guy, the creator, the guy who literally wrote the whole conspiracy on the market, he can't even make money. So why do you think that somebody who learns from this guy would make money? You know, he doesn't make money. How would you make money? So it's like, what are you thinking, you know? James Riley, I get confused when you say you're short. I think James Riley he's gonna go to the VIP room forever because the dude is a moron. VIP room coming up. Don't you worry, little buddy. We're gonna get you all the help that you need. Gonna get you all the help that you really need. Answer all your questions. Don't you worry. I like how on Top Step TV with rips, it just says, instead of live or a combine, it just says up. UP, just up. That's pretty funny. Like, they don't even try to figure out if he's trading a combine or if he's trading a live account anymore. It just says up. It doesn't even say what he's trading. It just says up. It just says up. All right, putting in a higher low here. Will the bulls start to push up out of this level after all of this selling pressure here today? NASDAQ just chopping around down here at the lows currently. Hard to make a choice what to do down here. What do I think about the market? I think it's at 19,920 right now. Bow, 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 bow. Just being patient here. Oh, had that big move down. No reason to get crazy until something starts happening, you know? Let the market make a move. Patience, my friends. Market is holding on here at the 920s for now, going nowhere. So that's exactly what I'm doing. ICT has been killing it with his short scalps. Guys, are you fucking stupid? Hey, Jay, are you fucking stupid? Guys, anybody, you just close your fucking eyes and go short. You want it, what? You want to get a fucking cookie for literally shorting a 300-point move down? You want to fucking, you think that you should get a fucking award for getting short and it going down 300 points? Holy fuck. Fucking dumbasses. Literally. Congratulations. Market's still just grinding lower. He took longs. Even worse. Oh yeah, he got stopped out. That motherfucker got stopped out. He got stopped out on the at 20,150. What the fuck are you talking about? He's accurate. He literally got long at 20,150 and got stopped out. The fuck you talking about? He got long again. The dude is literally just, oh my god, people, I can't, man. I can't. I'm not even responding. Not even responding to that bullshit. You're up 3,000 by following all of his trades. Well, you're a fucking moron. Go fuck yourself. God. Whoop-de fucking do. We're up 300 points following Patrick Wieland trades. Oh my god. Everybody, I'm up. I'm up. Everybody, what am I gonna do? ICT, he's so much better than me. Oh my god, what am I ever gonna do? I just don't know what I'm gonna do. Oh, 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 woo, woo, woo. Oh, woo, 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 woo. Oh, woo, woo, oh, woo, woo. What am I ever gonna do? ICT, help me, please. Oh my god, I'm so much better than ICT. Look, I'm still short from the two. I'm still short from 20,180 what I added to my short. What's up? What's up, motherfuckers? What's up, motherfuckers? What's up? Patrick, you will go down in history. Don't worry. Don't worry. January 2025, I win, ICT loses. And that's all that matters. It just keeps going lower. What if ICT refuses to honor your bet? I mean, we already know he's going to refuse it. He won't sign the contract. We bet him $1 million that he won't win the Robins Cup, and he won't even sign the contract. You know, he won't even sign the contract, people. You're not, nobody can be serious, right? You're not serious about me boxing ICT. Like, are you fucking serious? Come on, guys. He's like fucking 90 years old and fat. What do you think? What do you think is gonna happen? Have you ever seen a fucking full-grown lion fucking destroy a wildebeest? Yeah, that's what it's gonna look like. Just boom, smack that ass. Patrick, why don't you box ICT? Like, that's not even a contest. Come on, people. I'm a fucking natural born killer. I live stream every day. I'm a natural born motherfucking killer. La 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 la. Come on, I want that 200,000. I want 200,000. Give it to me, you fuckers. Chad Cobra, not yet. Don't bounce yet. Wait. Not yet. A little lower first. Let's get down here to the 40s, maybe. You know, give me that 40 area. Oh, come on. Don't bounce yet. Get it a little lower first. La, 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 la. Oh, 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 oh. Bro, I don't even know what to do right now. It's just still going up. God, I'm fucking good. I'm still good. I'm the #1 day trader on the YouTubes. All right, I'm all out. Fuck me. That's way too much. That's over $200,000. Crazy. That was only 2 accounts. I'm pretty much the best trader on the internet, you know, when you think about it. You know, when you think about it, pretty much the best to ever do it. Just the best to ever do it. Just the best to ever, pretty much ever do it, you know? Pretty much, when you think about it. Like, there's pretty much, like, there's Patrick Wieland, and then there's Patrick Wieland. You know, it not much, it ain't much different. You know? Are you better than ICT? Yeah, duh. ICT stands for I can't trade. Patrick Wieland stands for I win. Big difference. Winners win, losers lose. Winners win, losers lose. Everybody knows that. You can't spell win without Wieland. True story. You literally need the W, the I, and the N to spell win. So, you know, with Wieland, you win with Wieland. Win with Wieland. And my savant. I got my quant. Dung Do in the chat. Watch out. Dung Do. Dung Do. ICT just said that he's not winning the Robbins Cup because no one challenged him. No one. Did he really say that? Did ICT really say that? Don't tell me he really said that. God, ICT, man. ICT. I knew he would do that. NASDAQ is holding down here at the lows for now. What an insane move today. The shorts winning the war, that's for sure. Hard to be a bull today. Hard to be a fucking bull when this market's just going straight down, Junior. Insane move, though, either way. Love to see it. It's already starting off October, baby. October is starting out hot, hot, hot. NASDAQ just chopping around down here at the lows for now. I am not in the short. I cover the short, guys. Cover the short. Over 300, fucking 400 points. I don't even know. Lost. There's too many points. I can't even count that high. You know, I can't even count that high. It's still going lower, though, so. Jared, any updates to your FTT accounts? Yeah, they're trading. The ES finding some support down there at a pivot point right now at the 733s. You got a NASDAQ pivot point down there at the 800s, basically. If we hit this fourth pivot point, that is literally, like I said before, almost like a unicorn type of move here. Very, very rarely does the market hit the that fourth pivot. Rarely hits the third pivot as well. Yes. So the fourth pivot's almost like never happens. The third pivot is like very rare, like 20% of the total days out of the year. So you think the fourth pivot's probably like fucking less than 5% of the total days, maybe 1% to hit that fourth pivot. Top Step TV is short at the low of day here at 826s, it might be time to get long. It might be time to get long, boys. I think they're out now, looks like. What the fuck? Why would they haven't made a trade all day. Literally, guys, they haven't made a trade all day, and they just got short at the 26s. How is that even possible? How did they go all morning long without putting a trade on and then decided to get short at the bottom? How is that possible? I don't even understand how that's possible. How fucking dumb can you be? Fucking rips. The dude is literally just can't lose. And then the best is they don't even show the loss. They just say they're still flat. These fucking guys, man. I just don't even understand. How did you even get short at 926? Like, how's that even possible? Like, what kind of drugs are you smoking? Like, what? I'm not even making this up. They literally, it said right there that they got short at 826. Literally at the bottom of the low of the day. Guys, the low of the day is 818. Are you fucking, they're insane. God. What in the, I don't even get it. Like, that's like, I don't even, you just can't even, like, there's no rationality to that. Like, you're like, wait, you got short, but why? You know, like, what? You got short where? At the bottom? But why? That was bad. Bad. That's something that bad. How to trade real bad. Just watch rips every day live on YouTube. Brew, it's still a sell. All you need is 30 points. I don't know. I don't know about that. I mean, at this point, are you just like, I mean, at what, I don't know. I know I can always go lower, but I mean, at this point, like, why would you get short down here at the fucking bottom? I mean, I think everybody made money this morning, and now they're like kind of laughing all the way to the bank. Don't really see any reason to be short down here. I'm no longer holding the short. I covered the short at the 40s here. 840s short covered. Rips definitely has a gambling problem. He lives in Vegas. Like we talked about before, like, why would anyone live in Vegas? There's no reason. Unless you have a gambling problem. That's fucked up to say. I know it is fucked up to say, but. And look at that. The market starting to get back up here towards that 50 area. I mean, at some point, I think this thing's possibly just going to squeeze. Do some squeezies. Get some chop squeeze going. Timothy, he's in Vegas, no gambling. Yeah, man, sorry, no. Only reason someone would live in Vegas is if they're a gambler. Just kidding. I'm just kidding. Isn't it like hot as fuck there in the desert too? Like, why would you want to do that? Raphael, you took the short down? No, I got long at the top. I thought it would be a good idea to hold through this whole move. That was my kind of plan. I was like, man, I can just hold this long all day, baby. It's not going to go down. No way. There's no way it's going to go down. Impossible. What about the humidity in Florida? I mean, I don't know. What about it? AC? Well, there you go. Like I said, don't get short at the fucking bottom unless you have, you know, some type of mental disability. Do you have mental disability? Mental disability? Are you mentally disable? Market is squeezing back up. Did I not just say this was coming? We're right back up there to that pivot point. Don't tell me I didn't tell you. Don't tell me I didn't tell you. The squeeze is real. Up here to this pivot point now. After that, you got like that 920 area up there to get to. If we get through that pivot point, got to get through that pivot point though. The bulls. The bulls, the boosh, the boosh, the boosh, the boosh. Dude, I still can't stop laughing about the fact that Top Step literally shorted at the fucking bottom. I mean, come on. I mean, come on. You gotta laugh about that. I mean, that's some hilarious shit, man. That's just comedy at this point. I mean, that's some fucking funny shit. I told y'all to get long. I told y'all to get long. I mean, it's fucking hilarious when you think about it. I mean, it's like fucking comedy. Like, really, just fucking comedy. And now they're trying to short it again. Oh, God. Why would you do this, people? What is wrong with these people? I think they literally just want all of their viewers to lose money. That's what they want. They want every single viewer just to lose money and blow up their account. That's the only thing that you can think of. Like, the only way to really justify the idea of getting short at the bottom, the only fucking way that you can, anybody with a brain can be like, wait, so let me look at this. Hold on a second, Patrick. You're telling me that you didn't get short up here, right? So the market was at 20,260. It went down, 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 down. Okay, it's time to get short, boys, down here. Let's go. Everybody all in short. All right, I have figured out exactly where to get fucking short at. All right, right here. This is the spot, boys. This is the fucking spot. Like, you gotta, like, I don't want to, like, say the R word, but, like, I mean, you gotta actually be retarded. I mean, that's kind of rude to say, but, like, you gotta be fucking mentally retarded to watch the market go from 250 down here to the 1830s and then try to take a short. Are you mentally retarded? Like, so, I mean, again, like, I mean, no offense, but, like, how dumb could you possibly be? The institutional orders are at the bottom. Like, what can Rips even say? Like, what is he going to say right now? Like, what are they going to say? Like, what's their defense? Like, you have no defense to that. Like, how do you even defend yourself? You know, like, why? Like, well, how do you even, you can't defend yourself there. Is it me? Like, am I just being mean? Am I being mean? I think I'm being mean. And now they're short again. Like, what is going on with these people? They don't lose. They can't lose. I'm telling you. They are too good. Too fucking good at losing, man. They can't lose at losing. They literally can't lose at fucking losing, man. Like, it's that fucking funny when you think about it. Like, you know, like, that shit's fucking, you gotta laugh about it. Like, that shit's funny, man. I mean, the only way you could justify it, right? The only way that you could be like, hey, they know what they're doing is the fact that, like, they don't know what they're doing. You know, like, that's the only thing that I can think of. You know, like, the only way that I can think of. You know, I mean, that's the only thing that I can think of. Those poor guys. Rips has his headphones on right now. He's listening to my chat. Hey, Rips, give me a nod if you're listening. Oh, he just nodded. He's got his headphones on listening to my live stream. Rips, you little piece of shit. Get those headphones off. Get them off there. Stop wearing those headphones. Those institutional orders. The institutional orders. Hey, if y'all want to have some fun, go over there to Top Step TV. Go to Top Step TV and comment on there how Rips is listening to Patrick in his headphones. Oh, that's a good one. Rips over there. Where he got his headphones on. Are you afraid of our trolls? What does that mean? Oh, man. Someone said that Patrick is such a sad person. He feels a lot of pity and sympathy. Do I look sad? Do y'all think I'm sad? Do y'all feel like that? My viewers, people that are watching right now, you think I live a sad life? I might cry myself all the way to the bank. It hurts. It hurts. All right, NASDAQ off of the lows now. That short down there at the bottom, that was nice. You know that was nice. Coach J said, PW paying trolls bills with his profits. Great trade. But everyone else should stop. What does that mean? I'm paying people to troll? I don't think I even need to pay them. I don't think I even need to pay them, you know? I don't think I need to. Rips, take the headphones off. Stop listening to me. Stop listening to me. Patrick, stop praising yourself. All right. My life is terrible. NASDAQ right back up there to that pivot point. Look at this thing. Off the reversal. Like I said, don't get fucking short at the bottom. Don't get short at the bottom. You know? Look at that, guys. That's a 100 point, over 100 point move if you would have faded Top Step getting short at the bottom. That's over 100 point move if you would have got long when Top Step got short. Congratulations if you're trading. God. I'm currently not in a trade. Why did Top Step get short at the bottom? Because they're terrible. They are terrible. That is why. What up, Alpine Trader in the house? What's poppin', brother? Did you get short at the 19,826s today? I wonder, hey Alpine, did you get short at the bottom? Alpine, are you retarded? Guys, I got a twin turbo fucking Lamborghini. I got a twin turbo Lamborghini. Do you really think that it's slow? Come on, I would. Rips has a Ferrari SF90, I think, or some shit. It's a hybrid. It's a hybrid. I got a twin turbo, 1,000 horsepower twin turbo. He's listening to me right now. Look at his headphones on. He's sitting there. He's smiling. Look at him. He's smiling. Rips is smiling because he hears me. Are you guys friends? Hey, I already said the trade earlier was on the eval account. I did not hide that fact for anybody that's wondering right now. That crazy short was on the evals, so I don't know why it's even a discussion at this point. Hey, if ICT can trade Demo and he's the best trader in the world, why can't I trade Demo? Luckily, though, we are in the green here with these funded accounts with Apex. Over $10,000 in profit there. And then if you pull up my fast track, we got the fast track here. Where's that at? Fast track. Pull that up. Fast track. This is Motive Wave. Motive Wave. $2,000 today, so that's a little over $30,000. I'm not that good at math. I'm still learning math. You know, I'm not that rich, but you know. These are real accounts. Fast track trading is straight to funding, so you can't even trade a fake account over there, you know? You can't even, I don't know, man. Market trying to push back up here. 950 right now. 950 area. $20,042 VWAP to the upside there. Rip said on Top Step TV, don't get long here. So let's see. This might be the spot to get long. Market just sitting right here at the 960s. NASDAQ pushing back up here, but the ES pushed back up to the VWAP, got stuck there below the VWAP on the ES for now. So NASDAQ just sitting right below this pivot point there at the 960s for now. Could get this start to squeeze up. It's got to get through all this resistance there. If we get above this pivot point there, then you got the VWAP up there next at the 20,040s. Just kind of consolidating right here below this pivot point. We are kind of putting in this higher low for now. It's getting tight, getting real tight right here. Getting real tight. ES is right there at the VWAP. ES is stuck right there at the VWAP. Coming back down here again. Pat, do you not go to the gym today? It's only 6 o'clock in the morning here in Hawaii, so I'm getting ready to go to the gym. Don't you worry about me. They worried about me in the chat. Just holding up here. What's up, Pat? Missing Florida? Nope. I don't miss nothing, man. I just make money. There we go, the breakout. Trying to get this push through the pivot point there next, and then you got the VWAP up there at the 20,040s. All right, pivot point. Will we break? We're at the VWAP for the NASDAQ right now. Is that the VWAP? Let me see. Yeah, that's VWAP. VWAP on the NASDAQ. I mean, the ES right here, 5,766s. So the ES now trying to push up there to the VWAP. The NASDAQ right here at this pivot point. So through that 70 area, trying to get up there towards that VWAP next. VWAP next. Top Step TV said there's no reason to get long here, so I guess there's no reason to get making the money. I need to have a live feed at all times going. I need to hear everything that Top Step TV says so that I can do the exact opposite every time. Every time. Trying to push through this pivot. Come on, Pat. Show us the trade. For $5, I'll show you the trade. Only $5, though. $5 make you holla. Currently long here, looking for this push up. Got my stops right there, looking for the push through the 80s. Moving these stops up right below this 60 level. We're either going to push or chop around, like kind of watch right here, the low of this candle, just to guarantee I lock in that profit there at the 54s. Just stuck right there at the VWAP on the ES. So the ES kind of holding us down with the VWAP. So let's see if we can get this push straight up from here. We got to get through that 80 area. Do, do, do. You know what I mean? One of those. Do, do, do. Someone in the chat asked, did I sell? No, I bought. I'm just stuck right there at that pivot point, man. 70s holding us down for now. I'm going to sell one more right here. We got 2 contracts left, just in case this doesn't want to go straight up. You're trading the NASDAQ. Let's get through here. Oh, so close. So close. So close, man. We had our trade set up here, this breakout potential for this move up there. Right there to the pivot now. We got that VWAP up there next, kind of what I was looking for. Taking some profit as we go here. Nothing wrong with that. We got our last 2 sitting there at the 54s. We need to get this break through this 75 level. And then look how tight this thing's getting. Ooh, Something's gonna happen. Something's gonna happen. Something's gonna happen again. Just denied right there. I'm taking one more off right there. It just keeps getting denied there. I got one contract left. It's tight, but we'll see what happens. There's that 75 push. Oh, now it goes. There, now she goes straight up. 87s now. There you go. Let's go up there to that 20. Let's get that. I'm looking for. I got some room here. 20,000s. Let's get 20,000s. Remember, Rip said don't get long here. So clearly the best place to get long at. When the guy that only shorts the bottom and buys at the top tells you don't do something, you fucking do it, boys. Yesterday, yeah, I told the guy yesterday in the chat, I said, get the lube ready. You about to get fucked, boy. He didn't believe me. I don't know why people don't believe me. If I say get the lube out, get the fucking lube out. All right? If I say get the lube out, you fucking get the lube out. All right? All right. Ugh. Popped up there towards that 20,000 area. I'm giving it some room here, just getting stuck right there. Back to the pivot again. She wanted it. Fuck. It's annoying. All right, going into the lunch hour now. Might be time to walk away. Come back later for Power Hour. That's right. We'll be live later on today, 2:30 Eastern. We'll be live here for Power Hour. So, let's see if we get stopped here. Just came right back down there to take my stop, didn't it? Dirty. You dirty dogs. Dirty dogs. Dirty dog. All right, stopped out there. Right up there. All right, there it is. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. I will see you all later on today. We'll be live at 2:30 this afternoon. And I'm not going to sit here and just keep playing around with this. I'm going to walk away for now. And right now the NASDAQ kind of pulling back here. And yeah, we'll see what happens later on today. All right. If you guys want to learn more, you want to get into momentum trading and all that fun stuff, learn my indicators, learn the setups, learn it all. It's right now $199 the course. Check it out. It's for well, it's not free. It's $199. It's basically free when you think about it. You buy the course, you make $200. It's free. It's like a free course. Who thought that? I love it. There it is. Peace in the middle.